Hi, my name is Arvind Sapu, and this is my project called Local Event Finder. And it's a Flutter app provided by Firebase that helps user discover local events. And I will walk you through the key files and core features that why each part is very matters. Let's jump in. And this is the and main but main let's look into the main dot. It's a heartbeat of the app. It's initialized the Flutter locks the app portrait mode and set up the Firebase using the Firebase service in initialized, and it's also configures background push notification and wrap everything in provider scope, and provider scope for the river riverport state management, and navigation is handled by the material app router. And if any of the line is break, the app is not going to work. And let's look into the Firebase option dot. It is a uh, fire it is a auto generated feature Firebase configuration. It holds the APIs and project IDs for the different platform like Android, iOS, Windows, Linux. uh, and important thing is that it never exposed this publicly. um, and the next part is the app constants. And it stores all the fixer value routes, categories, validation message, admin emails. And next part is the UA of the app. It defines the app's look using Materials 3 and Google Fonts. And this is the makes your app polished and constant. And let's look into the utilities. And it contains the reusable helper functions like validation, state formatting, and snacks bar. It saves times and avoid duplication code. And we can look into the models. As you can see, it defines the event structures like title title, ID, descriptions, categories, date, location, latitude and longitude. And this is how the app talks to your database. And as you can, let's look into the dot. User dot does the same for the users, including is IAM flag is the for the admin page. It enables the role-based access like admin only features, and also for the users. And let's look into the services that the app provider. Services the is first thing is the Firebase. Let's into the Firebase services. This is the code for the Firebase services, and it initializes the Firebase safely. It prevents duplicate initialization errors. And the authentication service dot is it handles the login and sign in part for the Firebase authentication. It includes the handle or authentication exception for the clean and user friendly error message. Let's look into the Firestore service that it manages the database operation like events and bookmark. As you can see, this is the code for the Firestore service. And like look into the storage service that it uploads image to the Firebase storage, and it supports the both mobile and web with progressing targeting for the better UX. And and Cloudinary service is an alternative uploader. It useful if the Firebase limit is over. It we can It's an alternative uploader for the events. And as you can see, next into the Quark service. it connects to an AI API for the event smart events recommendation. This is what makes your app feel intelligent. uh, and location service, it handles the GPS and permissions for the, it includes the calculates for the location distance calculation for the nearby events by using the geolocation. Mock data service, it provides the fake data it get for the testing without needing the Firebase. Without the Firebase, we can test the app. And notification service is that we can manage the both local and push notification. It enables the users to get engaged with alerts and reminders when the new events are published. As you can see, see the, let's look into the screen. uh, Screen, and this is the uh, admin page add events, panels, login screen, registrations, bookmark, events, AI chat, home screen, top screen, and everything. Let's see into look into the screens. As you can see, this is the splash screen dot. It shows the logo and wait a few minutes or few seconds, then redirects based on the login status. I will show you in the app. And after that, it will show the login screen, and this is the code for the login screen. It handles the authentication with validation and error feedback. If the login is failed, it will say please try again. And if the login is correct, it will show welcome back. And there's a registration screen also. If you are a new user, it will show the registration screen. And this is the let's look into the events. This is the event detail screen. It will show the events information and allows the bookmarking. And the main part is that the map, this is the code for the map. It visualizes the events using Google Map. And this is the code for the map. It's using your location, so it will using the Google Map. And the as you can see, this is the code for the bookmark. We can bookmark the events if you are not, if you are going to if you are going to plan to go to the events, we can bookmark the events. And there's there's an AI chat for the uh, in the app. It let users interact with AI for recommendation. And as for the uh, admin panel, this is the code for the admin panel. It is only visible for the admin, and it manages events. We can for the admin, we can add more events. Like if you are like, you can more add more events, and we can delete or add events. And also we can edit the events, like allows the event creation and editing with the image uploader. We can upload the image also. And this is the code for the app, for the screens, the main page, and everything. And this is the code for the buttons and everything. As you can see, this is the primary button. It provides the constant up buttons with a loading state. Like if you like, this is the code for the buttons. And as you can see, this is the event card. Like it displays the event previews with images and bookmark icons. I will show it in the app. And this is the custom test field is for the like, it's standardized in the input styling where you can style it. And as you can see, the next part is the app router. App router is defines all the navigation using Go routers, including dynamic rules, everything. And the last one is the provider dot. It's for the data. Provided that set up the river port statement manager. This is what keeps your app reactive and scalable. And I will show the in the app. This is the main page of the mobile application that this is the project. And as you can see, we can search by cricket in by location or anything. When you search for the London, it will show the events in the London. And we can uh, categorize by the events by music, sports, and everything. And also there is a AI bot is there. For that we can search by, we can test to the AI bot that what's the budget for the events and cities or date. And this is the map. As you can see, the events also will show the in down here. When you press the like, I will show the example. When you press the cricket match, it will show the where's the location of that events is going to be. And in homepage, when we can like, when we can also bookmark it. And when we bookmark it, it will shows it here. And this is the, when we press the, it will show the how much is the price for the events and date, time, and who is the organizer and everything. And also we can get the direction also. And this is the profile for the users and admins. As you can see, only admins can log in by using this. And this is the admin panel. As you can see, we can add events, everything, that locations, latitude, and everything. And we can upload the event images and organizer name, contact emails, and everything, and how much is the price. And as you can see, we can also edit the events, that we can do also that one. And also we can do delete the events after the events is are done. And as you can see, the notification, it will also the push the notifications. We can get the event reminders, new events alerts, and everything. Also we can also receive the promotional emails and newsletter. If we can get the news, like if the events is getting a new, if we publish a new events, it will also it will receive the users that the new event has been added. And I will show the main page. We can log out this one. As you can see, this is the login page. As our admin, we can admin login by admin. And when you type the password, it will log in as the admin. And also I will show the as a user, we can sign up. Arvin Sabu 09@gmail.com. 1 2 3 4 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and we can create the account. As you can see, the account has been created. Sometimes this is the user this is the users so the users cannot be access the admin panels. So only the admin can be allows the admin panel. And this is the app. And and the core of the local event finder app, it combines the flutters like UI Firebase for the, and it's like for the UI, and Firebase for the for the backend, and Riverport for the statement management. And it provides for real-time date and smart features like AI and location tracking. And this is my app. Thank you.